What if your blink could predict your brain's future? What if your eyes could whisper secrets about your mind, long before you ever forget a name or stumble while walking? Welcome back to Cognitive Chronicles, where we uncover the incredible world of the brain, behavior, and technology. Today's story is one of innovation, insight, and a pair of smart glasses that might just change how we detect two of the most devastating brain diseases, Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. First, let us understand what is Alzheimer's. Alzheimer's disease is a progressive neurodegenerative condition that affects memory, thinking, and behavior. It's the most common cause of dementia and begins years before symptoms are even noticeable. What happens in the brain? Neurons die, plaques and tangles form, memory slowly fades, behavior and cognition deteriorate. It often starts with forgetting small things, a misplaced key, a name that's on the tip of your tongue, and eventually forgetting who you are or who your family is. Then, what is Parkinson's? Parkinson's disease, in contrast, primarily affects movement, though cognition may also decline in later stages. It results from a loss of dopamine-producing neurons in a brain region called the substantia nigra. Common signs are tremors, slowness, rigidity, mask-like facial expression. Voice changes. You might notice the body becoming stiff, speech softening, or hands trembling while holding a cup of tea. It's subtle at first, but grows louder over time. Why early detection is crucial in these cases? Because both Alzheimer's and Parkinson's don't start suddenly. The brain begins changing 5 to 15 years before symptoms show up. That's where the problem lies. By the time it's diagnosed, precious time has already been lost. Current tests are expensive or invasive, like MRI, PET scans, or spinal taps. There's no simple portable or early-stage screening tool for most people. But what if the answer was right in front of your eyes? Literally, in your eyes. Here comes the smart spectacles innovation. Researchers at Indian Institute of Science Bengaluru have developed a spectacle-mounted device, a smart, wearable pair of glasses that could potentially detect early signs of Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. But how does it work? It tracks eye movements, blink patterns, and gaze behavior. Subtle changes in how you move your eyes or blink can indicate brain issues. These metrics are analyzed using embedded sensors and algorithms. A reduced blink rate, delayed saccades, slower responses. These patterns can be early indicators. Our eyes are not just windows to the soul, but windows to the brain. Let us see the science behind the blinks. Multiple studies show that Parkinson's affects saccades, those quick eye jumps your eyes make when you're reading, scanning a room, or looking from one object to another. For example, when you're reading this sentence, your eyes aren't gliding smoothly. They're jumping from one word to the next. That jump? That's a saccade. Alzheimer's patients often have longer fixations and irregular gaze behavior. That is how and where your eyes focus. It tells us what you're paying attention to, how long you stare at something, and even how your brain reacts to emotions or information. Even pupil dilation is influenced by brain health. So if the brain is changing, like in Alzheimer's or Parkinson's, those eye movements and focus patterns start changing too. And that's exactly what the smart glasses are tracking. These glasses, by monitoring these metrics in real time, could flag potential problems even when no other symptoms are visible. How would this impact the real world? Now imagine this in India's villages, or for someone who can't afford MRI scans, or a caregiver who notices something off but doesn't know what to do. This device could be used in rural health camps, integrated into routine IB exams, offer non-invasive, affordable screening, empower early intervention and prevention. While still in lab testing, the potential is massive. If scaled, this could become India's answer to the global dementia crisis, blending science, accessibility, and local innovation. a blink, a gaze, a pair of glasses. Sometimes that's all it takes to catch what the brain is hiding. If this amazed you, hit like. If you know someone caring for elderly parents, share this with them. And for more stories where psychology meets innovation, hit subscribe to Cognitive Chronicles. Because the more we understand the brain, the better we can protect it. Until next time, stay curious, stay cognitive.